Hello and welcome to the Savify Discounts app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to create a single discount code that gives 20% off the order and also offers free shipping. Open the Savify Discounts app. Click the Create Discount button. You can choose from 3 discount types: order discount, product discount, or shipping discount. In this tutorial, we'll use the order and shipping discount types. You can apply this discount based on cart total, total quantity, or customer tags. To keep the video simple, we'll use the always condition, which makes this discount available for all orders. Click on the Add a Condition button. Now, from the list that appears, choose the Always option. Now, you'll need to give your discount a name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set your discount code. You can either create one manually, or you can click on the Generate option. You can also choose Automatic Discount. If you select this option, make sure to enter a discount message in the blank box. For this video, we will select the discount code method. Let's make the discount code as Father's Day. Then we will set the discount value for both order and shipping discounts. We can choose either percentage or fixed amount. We will keep the percentage for both discount types and put 20% for order discount and 100% for shipping discount, so the customer will enjoy the free shipping. Here, under Discount Applies to section, we can set the discount for all products, or apply it to selected products only. In the Maximum Discount Uses section, you can set how many times the discount can be used in total, and also you can set that each customer can use it only once. In the Combination section, you can allow this discount to be combined with other product, order, or shipping discounts, so customers can use multiple offers at the same time in a single order. To make this tutorial simple, we will keep the all default option as they are. Now let's click on the Save button. That's it. Your discount is live now. Let's test it out and head to the checkout page. Now let's apply the discount code and check. As expected, we got a 20% discount on order subtotal amount and free shipping. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Savify Discounts app. Happy selling!